The hidden skill businesses are paying for. Imagine this: a business needs to launch a new product, enter a new market, or pitch to investors, but they don't have the time or expertise to gather the right data. Now, imagine you stepping in with well-researched insights that save the day. Businesses are constantly looking for people who can dig deep into the internet, filter out the noise, and present them with actionable information. This is where online research comes in. A skill that requires no fancy degree, just curiosity and dedication. Stick around because I'll show you how to master this skill and turn it into a profitable freelance career. Online research involves gathering, analyzing, and presenting data that businesses can use to make decisions. As an online researcher, you may research market trends, identify target audiences, analyze competitors, find leads and contact information, and gather academic or industry-specific data. Businesses, marketers, and entrepreneurs rely on researchers to save time and ensure their strategies are data-driven. Data is the backbone of modern business. In fact, 90% of companies say that data helps them make better decisions. From startups to Fortune 500 companies, everyone needs reliable information. That's why skilled online researchers are in high demand. And the best part? You don't need years of experience to get started, just a knack for finding the right information. To become a successful online researcher, you'll need the following skills: attention to detail to ensure the data you collect is accurate and reliable, critical thinking to evaluate sources and distinguish credible information from unreliable ones, organizational skills to present data clearly using spreadsheets, documents, or presentations, efficient searching using advanced search techniques and tools to find relevant information quickly, and industry awareness to understand the basics of the industries you're researching to add context to your findings. These skills will set you apart and make your services invaluable to businesses. Tools and platforms for online research. Professional researchers use a variety of tools to streamline their work. Here are some you should know about. First, Google Advanced Search. This lets you refine your searches to find specific information. Second, LinkedIn, where you can gather professional insights and analyze competitors. Third, Google Scholar, which gives you access to academic papers and research articles. Fourth, Statista, for reliable industry data and market statistics. And finally, BuzzSumo, to track trending topics and content performance. These tools will help you find accurate, relevant information quickly and efficiently. How to deliver your research findings. Once you've gathered the data, it's important to present it in a way that's easy to understand. Here's how. First, create reports. Use tools like Google Docs or Microsoft Word for detailed reports. Next, organize data. Summarize key points in charts, graphs, or bullet points. Third, use visuals. Include infographics or visuals to make the data more engaging. And lastly, provide insights. Don't just present the data, explain what it means for the client's goals. A polished, professional presentation will leave a lasting impression on your clients. Finding clients for online research services. Ready to find clients? Here's where to start. First, freelance platforms. Sign up on Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer and list your services. Second, job boards. Look for research-related gigs on platforms like People Per Hour or FlexJobs. Third, direct outreach. Pitch your services to small businesses, startups, or entrepreneurs. And fourth, networking. Connect with professionals on LinkedIn and offer to help with their research needs. Persistence is key. The more you put yourself out there, the more opportunities you'll find. How to price your online research services. Your pricing will depend on the complexity of the project and your level of expertise. Here's a general guide. Hourly rate $20 to $50 per hour, depending on the depth of research. Project-based, $100 to $1,000 per project, based on the scope and duration. Monthly retainers, $500 to $3,000 for ongoing research needs. As you gain experience and build a portfolio, you can increase your rates and work on larger projects. Scaling your online research business. Once you've built a steady client base, it's time to scale your business. Here's how. Specialize. Focus on a specific niche, like market research or competitor analysis. Hire help. Bring on other freelancers to manage larger projects. Offer additional services. Combine research with content writing, strategy development, or data visualization. Build long-term relationships. Offer retainers to ensure consistent work and income. Scaling allows you to grow your income while taking on more impactful projects. Common mistakes to avoid. Every freelancer makes mistakes, but you can avoid these common ones. Using unreliable sources. Always cross-check your data. Overloading reports. Keep your findings concise and actionable. Missing deadlines. Time management is crucial for building trust. Ignoring the client's needs. Tailor your research to the specific questions your client wants answered. Avoiding these mistakes will ensure client satisfaction and repeat business. Conclusion: your journey starts here. Online research is a skill that's always in demand, and with the right approach, it can be your ticket to earning a steady income as a freelancer. And if you're curious about more ways to make money online, click the link to watch my next video. Together, we'll explore more exciting freelance opportunities. Your journey starts now.